Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Depop balance, right? How you can transfer your Depop balance to your bank account, which I will show you in this video. So to do that, first of all, you can just do it over the website, which is here, as well as in the mobile application. Now here you have to log in into your account. So on the top right, there's an option of login. And here, once you log in, for example, I will just log in by using my Google account here, and then we have to go to the profile, right? As you can see here, you can face an error if you don't have accounts. Just make an account, then you have to go to your profile, which is always located on the bottom right of the screen, as you can see here, this one. And let me just show you here in the bottom right side corner, you will see your profile icon. Now after that, you will able to find your payment section balance, right? So let me show you, which is here we are into the payment section, and here it will show you all the payment and each and everything. Just like here, it will show you your payment and your sales, as well as if you have purchased something, then still it will be shown here. So this is how you can do it, and it's really easy. If you want to link your bank account, then you have to go to your profile section here, which is already told you in the bottom right, go to the payment setting, and here you have to go to the payment section, and here you will get an option to add your bank account. If you don't find it here, you can always go and check it over the manage section. You have to enter, or you have to enter your bank account details, and then you have to verify your account. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.